question number. The variation in time t of the acceleration a of the object is given. Okay, a versus t, at graph is given to you. What is the speed of the object at t equal to 8 seconds? So whenever there is an at graph given to you, you can find the area of this at graph. What does the area give you? Area is given by half ph, which gives you the change in velocity of the particle. So therefore, you cannot apply directly your v equal to u plus at equation. The reason is because this could be applied only when the acceleration is seen to be a constant. See, the acceleration is varying here. In that case, by graphical measure, we have to find out this value. What is delta v? Change in velocity. What is half ph? Let us compute this. It will be half multiplied by what is base. He wants it at t equal to 8 seconds. So it means I'm going to take this triangle. Finding out the area over here. And as a result of it, this will be 8 multiplied by height is 8. So thus, you get this answer as 64 divided by 2 is 32. What is the unit here? Meters per second. So delta v is equal to 2 meters per second. And it's also given here that this is nothing but the object is at rest, which means what? Now your delta v is equal to v minus u is equal to 32, and then u is equal to this at rest, so u becomes 0, so v should be equal to 32 meter per second. So the answer here is 32 meter per second. So many of them have marked 64, which is incorrect because they took v equal to u plus 80. Remember, whenever any question on graph is given and if something is varying, that you will not do that. Okay, so 32 meters per second is the right answer.